Okay, find two non-trivial functions, f of x and g of x, so that the composition f of g of x is equal to the quantity 2 plus 7x raised to the fifth power. So basically we want two functions, two non-zero functions that will give us this outcome, quantity 2 plus 7x raised to the fifth power. So the first thing we want to do is let's start with the inside. Remember that this is this here is our inside. So we want to establish that first. Like look what's happening to the composition or the output is that you have something inside of these parentheses here, and then all of that is being raised to the fifth power. So we can just label, actually I'll go over here and say inside function, and then this is our g of x, okay. And what's happening inside over here is we have 2 being added to 7x, okay. Now we want to take a look at what's happening outside of this, and the only thing that's happening outside of that function is, let's label this outside function. The only thing that's happening outside is this function, everything is being raised to the fifth power. So whatever the value, whatever we substitute in for x, right? Since this is our inside function here, okay, all of this is going to be placed inside of x. All right, it's going to be substituted inside this value of x for the function f of x. And what do we want to do with that? We want to take all of that, okay? So whatever I substitute in here is going to end up in this x here, and I'm going to take all of that and then raise it to the fifth power, okay? We can't just say the outside is x. We have to say that this outside function is x to the fifth, okay? So anything I plug in here is going to be raised to the fifth power, okay? So, and as a result, we have f of g of x, okay? And then in this case we would have f of 2 plus 7x, which results in 2 plus 7x. All of this is going to be raised to the fifth power here. Okay? So these are your two non-trivial functions.